Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You begin by signing into the Google account that owns the contact. Make sure you use the same account across devices. Once signed in, open Google Contacts on web or the mobile app so you see the full contact list. Next, check sync settings in Android or iOS to ensure the account is active and contacts are visible. This prevents accidental deletions on the wrong profile. Now locate the contact name or use the search bar to jump straight to it. Keep going. You now decide whether to delete or merge. Select the contact, then open the three-dot menu to pick Delete if you want it gone. If you see duplicates, choose Merge and resolve conflicting fields so the most accurate data remains. On web, you can select multiple entries and remove them in bulk. On mobile, long press to multi-select. Make sure to confirm the deletion prompt. This removes the entry from Google servers and sync devices, so pause if you need a backup. You finish by verifying the change across devices. Open Google Contacts Trash to restore within 30 days if you deleted by mistake. Once done, force a sync, go to Account Settings and Sync Now, or sign out and back in to refresh cloud state. If deletions don't show up, clear app cache or confirm the contact wasn't stored locally on the device by checking device contacts. Troubleshooting tip: export a contact's CSV before mass deletes so you can restore data quickly if things go wrong.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.